Welcome to Blue Springs, where homeowners take pride in maintaining their beautiful properties. However, clogged gutters can lead to severe water damage and pest infestations. That's where gutter covers come in. With our extensive experience in gutter protection, we provide top-notch solutions to keep your gutters in excellent shape. Our gutter covers are designed to keep your gutters clear and functioning flawlessly year-round, preventing clogs, leaks, and expensive repairs. In Blue Springs, many homes face issues with gutter maintenance every year. Don't let yours be one of them. Gutter covers effectively block debris from entering your gutters, ensuring that water flows smoothly away from your home. This not only safeguards your property from potential water damage, but also boosts its curb appeal and value. Ready to protect your gutters? Get in touch with us today. Call the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https://thegutterguys.lc. The Gutter Guys, your trusted partner in keeping your home safe, beautiful, and worry-free. Contact us now and see the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.